Hello students, welcome back. Today we will see question number 13 of exercise number 2.1. So let's see question number 13. A warehouse valued at rupees 40,000 contain goods worth rupees 2,40,000. So warehouse and goods, there are two things. So property value of warehouse is 40,000 and property value of goods is 2,40,000. So the warehouse is insured against fire for rupees 16,000. It means policy value they have given of warehouse 16,000. The goods to the extent of 90% of their value, and the policy value of goods is 90% of property value. Goods worth rupees 80,000 are completely destroyed. It means 80,000 complete loss, while the remaining goods are destroyed to 80% of their value. So remaining goods का 80% is loss due to fire. The damage to the warehouse is to extent of rupees 8,000. Find the total amount that can be claimed. So 8,000 is a loss of warehouse. So let's see students, property value is equal to 40,000. So we are talking about warehouse, and policy value of warehouse is 16,000 rupees. Loss they have given of warehouse is 8,000 rupees. So we can find out claim. Claim का formula, claim is equal to policy value upon property value into loss. So policy value is 16,000 and property value is 40,000. Loss is 8,000 of warehouse. So 3030 cancel, 00 cancel. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. So 400 into 8. So claim is 3,200. Okay students, so this is for warehouse. So let us forward to goods. So property value of goods rupees 2,40,000 and policy value is 90% of property value. So 90% means 90 upon 100 into property value is 2,40,000. So 2020 cancel. So 000 9 fours are 36, 9 twos are 18, 18 plus 3 21. So 2,16,000 is a policy value. So let us calculate loss. So complete loss rupees 80,000. Okay. So remaining value of goods. Remaining value of goods rupees 2,40,000 minus 80,000. So 2,40,000 minus 80. So total amount is 1,60,000 is a remaining goods. And they are telling कि सर अभी भी क्या हो रहा है 80% जो रिमेनिंग गुड्स मुझे मिला है रिमेनिंग वैल्यू उसमें से भी 80% क्या हो रहा है लॉस हो रहा है. So let's see. damage to remaining goods, that is 80% of 1,60,000. So 80 upon 100 into 1,60,000. So 1600, 1,28,000 is 80% of 1,60,000. So we can find out total loss. Total loss is equal to, first loss is 80,000, which is complete loss, plus 1,28,000 is remaining loss, means 80% of 1,60,000. So 0, 0, 0, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. So total loss is 2,08,000. So loss we have, and policy value and property value. So we can find out claim. Claim is equal to policy value. We have formula, policy value upon property value into loss. Okay, students. So policy value is 2,16,000 upon property value is 2,40,000 and loss is 2,08,000. So 3030 we can cancel, and here 00 we can cancel. So after calculation we will get claim. So let's see calculation. 1,87,200. So here is your claim. So students, you can note down. So students, let's see question number 14, and question number 14 is the last question of this exercise, means 2.1 ka last question. So let's see question number 14. A person takes a life policy for rupees 2 lakh, means policy value is at 2 lakhs for a period of 20 years. He pays premium for 10 years, during which bonus was declared at an average rate of rupees 20 per year per thousand. So find the paid up value of the policy if he discontinues paying premium after 10 years. मतलब वो क्या कर रहा है, 10 साल के बाद वो प्रीमियम पे करना बंद कर दे रहा है. So we need to find out paid up value. So let's see question number 14. Policy value, they have given rupees 2 lakhs and policy period, which is 20 years. बट प्रीमियम पेड, जो प्रीमियम वो पे कर रहा है वो सिर्फ 10 इयर्स तक ही पे कर रहा है. प्रीमियम पेड ड्यूरिंग 10 years. So 10 upon 20 into 2 lakhs. So 00 cancel. So here 1 lakh is premium for 10 years. So rate of bonus, they have given 20 rupees per annum and per thousand. So we can find out total bonus. Bonus for 10 years. So 10 into bonus means 20 upon 1000, because it is a per thousand, into 2 lakhs. So 3030 cancel. It means 10 into 2 twos are 4. So 4000. So 10 years. So 10 into 4 is equal to 40. So here it is 40,000 bonus for 10 years. So we can find out paid up value. Paid up value 1 lakh is a premium for 10 years and 40,000 is a total bonus for 10 years. So it means total paid up value is 1 lakh 40,000. Okay, students, you can note down. Thank you.